How's your day going? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this reaction. I'm checking out Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather live from LA28 Olympic Handover. I've not seen this. I don't even know this song. So it's a pretty blind reaction. I'll probably crop the video because of copyright. Expect me to pause, give some commentary because it's a reaction. Let's go. Is it really live? As in, the instruments sound live, but Billy's voice sounds hella polished. Hella polished. Like, they're in the open. So I'm expecting, like, for it to be not so polished. But I'm not a Billie Eilish fan, so I wouldn't know how she sounds live. Wait a minute. The way she did that note, even better. I can't tell if this is genuinely live or if it's she's singing over a pre-recorded track. I can't tell. But the way some of the enunciation and the way she moves makes me think that it's genuinely live. Like live directly from her mouth, not just live lip sync. It's too clean to be live. I don't know. You tell me. I don't listen to Billie Eilish as much. This was just recommended by someone. It's too clean to be live. I love the track though. The instrumentation is just so blissful. But I'm not sure if those are genuinely live vocals or she's just singing a pre-recorded track. And before you go all angry in the comments for what I'm saying, I don't listen to Billie Eilish. I'm just judging by what my eyes are seeing and what I'm hearing. Like they're singing out in the open. So like, I don't know. I'm not sure. Like you hear there, like this is, she must be singing over a pre-recorded track because like hear this part. Yeah. So she's singing the main vocals, then there are background vocals. So she must be singing, but she's singing over a pre-recorded track, or she's lip syncing, one of the two. If I'm wrong, comment below. Don't insult me. I know some Billie Eilish fans are very protective of her, but they're out in the open. She shouldn't sound that clean. There should be some open field distortion. Or the other option could be that she genuinely is singing live, and then whoever made the video cleaned it up in post production, making her sounding cleaner and more, not auto tune. I wouldn't say she's auto tuned. She just sounds too clean for it to be live, especially because it's outside. Yeah. But I know for a fact that because they are backing vocals, she must be either singing on top of a pre-recorded track or lip syncing the whole thing. If she genuinely sounds like that live, if genuinely she sounds like that, then she must be a goddess, Ban. if she's singing, I don't know. I'm just giving you my honest thoughts. I don't want to sit here and be like, "Oh my god," and yet what my ears are hearing don't sound like genuinely live vocals. I know what genuinely live vocals sound like. My final analysis is that she's genuinely singing, but she's singing over a track, and also the track has maybe been polished for this recording that has been uploaded to our channel. I would love to hear like her sing like without anything, without without backing band, without backing instrumental. I'd really love to hear that. She sounds really good there, though. She sounds really good there. Pre-recorded or not, track or not, she sounds really good there. Anyway, give me your thoughts on this one. My analysis is that she's singing, but she's singing over a track. The track has been polished for this video because she's too clean. It's too clean. It's too clean. When someone sings live in front of you, like unless you're like, I don't know, Hayley Williams of Paramore. I've heard Hayley Williams of Paramore singing without anything. Mind blowing, right? But here, Billie Eilish is outside. She's not like in a studio. Anyway, give me your thoughts. I'd really like to hear. And then I'll see you in the next one.